when you were supposed to be mine. Oh, that's a little bit of an intimate shot. Don't look, I'm naked. Big. It's a big boy tub. Does this look natural? There's a spider. Can you see it? Look away, Wilbert. Yeah, pro-life. Here. Did I piss myself? No. There's just icky tower. 9/11? No. This icky bathtub water. Well, that looks like piss. I swear I didn't piss my pants. But let's be real. Everyone pisses in the tub in the shower. That's... If you don't, you're lying. People of the interweb. As you can tell by my Gollum-esque appearance, things have not been going very well for me. I'm sick. And getting over the frickin' bubonic plague the past couple of days. And I'm still sick. And, yeah, it's okay. I have some medicine, right? I swear I'm not an alcoholic. But yeah, I got my medicine. I don't know what to do. I accidentally dyed my hair green with brown hair dye, so I'm going through it. Pawn Shop TV show, what is it called? Pawn Stars, which sounds a lot like something else. But it was a TLC. I'm sorry, from the History Network, because this is fascinating history, prehistoric thing, because now we don't have pawn shops. People who go into pawn shops are probably prehistoric. That's probably what they're getting at. Yeah, but we're gonna be watching an episode of it, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. We'll see if I die by the end of this, so. Not clickbait.
Hi. Yeah, I found this.
There's a spider. See? Everything's connected. My devices are listening in on me. Yeah, well, but the spider didn't die, it's still alive. It's actually now one of my producers. So say hi. Say hi, spider. Hi.
My mother gave it to me years ago, and I was wanting to find out how much it was worth.
This thing looks crazy. What is it?
It's a black widow.
Is it poisonous?
Freaking peak comedy right there. What the heck?
I just came to the pawn shop today to try to sell my grandmother's brooch that was given to me years ago. It's just a spider brooch. It's got a lot of crystals and stuff on it. I don't like spiders, so I just wanted to get rid of it.
Do you know what you...
I mean, we don't condone spider violence in this here bathroom, so
you have here?
No, not at all.
This is Fabergé. Fabergé was one of the most famous jewelry designers in the world. He was the jeweler to the Russian court. This is something right here. When people...
Was he really that great? Because if he was really that great, then he wouldn't have died, right? You know? If he really was that great, then he wouldn't have died. But, okay.
Onyx underneath there, this white metal right here, that is all platinum. Those are diamonds. There's sapphires in the feet. Those are rubies in the eyes. This is the kind of stuff that royalty wears. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't believe this woman had a Fabergé brooch sitting around in a drawer somewhere. This is the one thing everyone hopes they'll stumble across when they're going through grandma's stuff. What did you want to do with it?
I want to get rid of it.
And how much were you looking to get out of it?
Couple thousand?
Okay. I would really like to give you like $2,000 for it, but unfortunately I have a conscience.
Jiminy Cricket. He has a conscience. He's a real boy. But he kind of looks like a baby. He really does. Just a little bit. You know that, but that's okay. That's okay. He's being nice.
All right, I'll cut to the chase. I'll give you $15,000 for it.
Oh my God, you gotta be me.
No, I'm not. This is stuff you do not see every day.
How about 17? A man that's willing to pay 15 will definitely pay 17
No,
for
he
that.
won't. I mean,
All right,
literally.
how about 16?
I will give you 15. That's more than a fair offer on this.
How about 15.5?
This is why I hate having a conscience. This is Vegas, and I just told this woman she hit the jackpot, and now she wants another spin. I can pay you 15 grand. That's more than a fair offer on this. This is not something that's going to sell.
Good job. Oh my goodness. You know, I'm stroking his giant bald head. Both men like that, right?
Overnight.
Yeah.
All right, you're a good man.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi. Looking to see if maybe you'd be in. Sword is really cool, and I'm looking to get 10,000.
It's a great piece of history. During World War II, there was this whole thing called the spoils of war and war prizes. Might sound a little strange now, but it just goes back from thousands of years. I mean, that was part of a soldier's pay. If you went to battle, you got to take a few prizes home. Generally, out of
In World War III, when World War III comes, if I get drafted, I'm bringing back a sword. Maybe 2 or 3. Maybe some other crap. I don't really need money. I just need cool crap. Like, that's setting you up for life. That's like a guaranteed freaking meal ticket. If you want to get laid. Samurai sword. Ugh. Ugh.
Oh my God, you gotta be me.
No, I'm not. This is
Oh.
stuff you do not see every day.
How about 17? A man that's willing to pay 15 will definitely pay 17
No,
for
you
that.
won't. I mean,
All right,
literally,
how about 16?
I will give you 15. That's more than a fair offer on this.
How about 15.5?
This is why I hate having a conscience. This is Vegas, and I just told this woman she hit the jackpot, and now she wants another spin.
That's kind of true, but you know what? I think you did the right thing.
samurai swords.
Wow.
Can you tell me what this says right here?
Well, he actually did ask a Japanese kid to tell him what the writings meant. The kid said it was a sword used for beheading Christians.
Oh! Damn! That would be me. Holy crap. Also, you can't trust that kid. I don't know. I don't know. I never trust a kid. Never trust kids. Yourselves. Just never trust a kid. But yeah. Wow, that's...
I mean, I have never heard of the Japanese beheading Christians.
Okay. Can we see the blade on this thing?
That's right. Kids lie. I freaking knew it. Bald man over here knows his stuff. Also, it's another good thing about this show. It's like a history lesson built into just like reality TV. It's nice. Just a little something there. You can't get drunk off medicine, can you? No, right? But you can't get off. I'm just taking little sips. I'm just taking little tastes. You know, just a little bit on the tip. A little bit on the tip of the tongue. Little palate cleanser.
So what do you think?
Well, let me take a look at the handle with your permission.
Absolutely. That was slick.
Well, it's got some writing on the blade, huh? You seeing anything good down there?
So this blade is actually very interesting because during the 1800s, there was a great rebellion and a civil war going on, and many factions were trying to take... With your permission.
Yeah, they had to call him the big guns. Look at this guy. Juicy biceps. Ooh, ooh, I like that. See, that makes more sense. Not yet. I can't have you. I need more time. I'm not. I should stop. You should. He's tempting me. I keep hearing him telling me to drink him. I gotta savor you. Shh. He read his freaking mind. They met up before. This is a con. This is a con. The two of them are working together. There's no way. Exact number. Her face. She knew she got away with it. That's my theory. I came theory.
Where you can still see the mint mark and still figure out the year. That's what these are right here, and they're called low balls.
Low balls.
It's like graded a 1, 2, 3, or 4. Everyone wants the ones, and these are all ones, which is amazing. It's sort of crazy. The price keeps on going down the lower the grade gets. Highest grade, start going down. You get to like a 4, it gets down here, and then it goes back up. It's crazy.
Okay, all right. That sounds crazy, but hey.
We got some really good dates in here, too.
Yes, sir.
These are all amazing. I mean, how much did you want for them?
$200 for each one. That's $2,400 for the whole batch. How about that? Now that's a deal. Let's make it.
That's so silly. Why would you want the common $1 one? Not like the biggest rich one. I think it's more baller to have the bigger, richer coin, but I mean, maybe I'm just classist. I don't know. Look away. Look away. I'm hiding my shame. Just a little.
That is a heck of a deal. It really, really is.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
But I sort of have a conscience, and they're worth more than that. They really are.
Okay. All right.
Okay, I mean, these two right here, I could probably get $600-700 a piece out of.
Really?
I'd give you 4.
I have a... Alrighty. 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 $200 for each one. That's $2,400 for the... I knew there was something I liked about you. Take care, Rick. Thank you.
All right.
How about that? Now that's a deal. Let's make a deal.
That is more of a fair price. It really is.
Really? Can your conscience go up even higher to $5,000 for the...
Okay. I mean, these two right here, I could probably get $600-700 a piece out of. Really?
Damn. I'm gonna lowball more often. That's freaking amazing. Man. I think I'm using that wrong. Oh, frick, my ass hurts. Ow. How long is this recording? Oh my goodness. How long have I been in here for? Oh. Whoa. Well, let's see.
Can your conscience go up even higher to $5,000 for the whole lot?
No.
That's so funny. I love. Am I drunk? No. Is this a shake global for drinking? Whoops. not be drinking that much. Holy shit. Whoops. Whoopsie poopsie. No more medication for me. No more of that. Yikes. Oopsie. I didn't know. It says if I drink too much, it could cause liver failure, so. My bad. It's okay. They're alright, right, liver? You're okay. They're fine. They're tough. They're tough by they're solid like rocks right now. They're fine. That's why I work abs. You know. Organs, abs, all the same. They're all connected. They're all here.
I came down to the pawn shop today to sell my 1955 Playboy comic prints. I think these things can be worth some big money just because they're old and they're from Playboy. I basically got them for free and I'm ready to cash in.
I'm assuming the humorist is the guy that's laying in bed is looking up at his own picture as the attorney advertising in the hospital.
Oh yeah, 1950s humor. Yeah, I wish I was at that time. That'd be so funny. All I have to do is just like hit my wife and it'd be hilarious.
So what do you want to do with them, my man?
I'd like to sell them.
Any idea of what you want for them?
I'd like $100 a piece.
$100 a piece. Be honest with you, man, they're worth a lot more than that. Yeah,
okay.
they are worth more than that. Me and my big mouth, but how about this? I give you $500 a piece for them.
That works for me. Well, I appreciate you being honest with me.
Sounds good, man. Let's
Sounds
go right
good.
ahead.
I couldn't believe they were worth that much money. I got $1,000 in my pocket and I'm a happy man.
Good job, Randy, and all the people at Pawn Stars. I'm gonna die. Okay, bye.